Hey everybody, it's Ray from Team Reach Travels, and guess what? I'm back again with another tip video. Did you like saving on your hotel? Well, guess what? Now I'm going to show you how to save with your parking. We're going to talk about my favorite app. What is that app? You'll find out once we get in. But before we get started, thank you to you. If you are a returning subscriber, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. You are making this thing a little easier every day. And if you are new here, welcome to being new, and make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of the Team Reach Travels VIP. That's right, Team Reach Travels VIP, because you all are very important people to us. Let's jump in.
Hey everybody, it's Ray from Team Reach Travels, and I'm back. As you can see, there's been a wardrobe change, but that's okay. Things happen, things come up. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about my favorite parking app. Now, you save money on your hotels. How about you save money on your parking? I know everybody loves the savings because you love the other video. So how about we jump into this and we talk about it. So what's my favorite parking app? What's it called? SpotHero. You can either go on the app or you can go on the website, go to SpotHero.com. Either way, trust me, you will love it. So as you can see, we're on SpotHero.com right now. Here at the top, it shows you all about SpotHero. You can learn about them, how they work, the parking guarantees. You contact them and SpotHero for business, because you even use this because you as a business, you can use it as a business write-off, right? Another savings tax. Or you can get it where, like I said, you can go to SpotHero.com, or you can have the app sent to your phone, which is this button right here. Here where it says my account, it usually will say sign in or sign up, just like it did on the other program I told you about as far as the hotels go. So here we have hourly parking. You can set it up for hourly parking, monthly parking, or even airport parking. Who doesn't love savings at the airport parking? Because we all know airport parking is so expensive, especially if you're going to be there longer than 3 days, or be there longer than a day for some airports, depends on where you at. But they even have it set up for airport parking. Now, I will say this, not every parking garage in the United States is on here, because some parking garages are free. Now if it's free, it's not going to be in here. This is made for paid parking garages, paid parking lots, or paid parking areas. I've even seen it used, I can even use it for like a sporting arena. So let's say if you're going to a Bulls game for me, or maybe you're going to a Denver Nuggets game or Denver Broncos game, you can find a garage that's close by, and you can put in that information and it'll pull it up. So let's say today we want to go to, you know what, let's change this. Let's say we want to go to Kiki and I's favorite Italian restaurant in Chicago. All right, boom, click on it. Now this red dot here is where Carmine's is. We love Carmine's. I'm telling you, it's, oh my god, I won't even get into that, but we love Carmine's. And so what you see, all these blue dots are all of the parking garages that are close by, within walking distance. If you like to walk, that's good, but if it's in the wintertime, especially in Chicago, you might not want to be walking. You might want to find the closest garage. So for me, since we've been to Carmine several times, I know that this garage right here is the closest one. What you see is pulled up over here. On this side, it pulls up all of the garages that you see in this area, and it also pulls up, let you know the price. That's the price before taxes. Watch what's going to happen though. Over here, again, we're looking for garages either at Carmine's or close to Carmine's. So let's say we want to go to Carmine's today, and I know that we're not going there till dinner time. So let's say we go there for dinner time at 6:30. So I will set up my parking to start at 6:30. And let's say, you know what, I think we're going to be in there for a little while. I don't want to rush it. So let's stay there till 10, right? So what I'll do is I'll update the search. Now the day is not going to change, because we're not going to be in Carmine's for 24 hours. So what I do is I update it. And so now I've updated it, right? 4 hours of parking. Three and a half hours of parking I have it set up for. So then you can do it as a filter. You can go with self park, or you can do it with touchless parking. And so I'm going to go to this garage here. So I'm going to click on this one. And so I'm clicking on this one because I know this garage, because I've parked in it several times. Now, what you will see here is the address again, where this garage is. It's 0.2 miles from the restaurant. So this particular garage, is probably a block and a half from the restaurant. So it's a block and a half from the restaurant going in this direction. So I know that because, again, we've been here several times and I like this garage. Here it's the total parking for 4 hours. For this parking garage, it's usually $15 for the first hour. Savings already, right? So my parking reservation is from today to 6:30 p.m. to they bonused me, and they will do that sometimes. So I had it set up. We know here I had it set up from 6:30 to 10, but they said, you know what? We'll extend your time for you. So it's from 6:30 to 12:30. So they extended my time. That's my total amount. Right here, this here is your most important thing you guys need to know. You need to know how tall your vehicle is. I can't tell you how tall your vehicle is. You can easily Google it. Just put in your vehicle year, make, and model, and just look up height of vehicle. It'll pull it up for you on Google. You know, Google knows everything. So this is what the height restriction is. Then it also lets you know that this facility does not have in and out privileges, meaning that once you in, you in. Once you out, you out. Ain't no coming back and forth like it's valet or something. This particular garage does not offer that. There are other ones in Chicago as well as wherever you may be living, as where you're watching this, that have in and out privileges. So you can always check that out. But always check that and make sure. The amenities they have are self-park, meaning you'll park your car yourself. It's touchless, meaning there's no one at the box unless there's something goes on. And it's because of technology. There are hiccups, things happen. You have to contact the people in the box, and you know, they kind of take you from there. It is a covered garage and it's wheelchair accessible. It's letting you know that this facility is 24/7. It's letting you know how to get in. So what you'll do is, once you get in, once you pay for your parking, you'll get on the app or online, you'll get a QR code. And so what you'll do is you'll scan the QR code, it'll open the gate right up, and then you find the area where you can park in. Do not park in the area where it says reserved. You do not want to park there. It's going to get ugly real fast. When you exit for this particular garage also, you will take the QR, you will scan your QR code again, gate opens up, you roll right out. Now, what I had to learn the hard way, well, not the hard way, thankfully, but what I learned last time we were there is that with this particular garage, one of the vehicles we have now, and hope we'll do something about it one day, but one of the vehicles we have now is just, when I say just, it's probably 5 feet 11 inches high. You should see me praying to Jesus all the way in there, because I knew, I was like, Lord Jesus, please, Lord, please don't let this scratch up this truck. But anyways, and so we won't be going to this garage again with that particular car. But please know your vehicle height, because you don't want to go in there and scratch up your car. And because you guys have seen it when you pass by garages, those big signs are usually concrete pillar. It looks like a concrete pole or a metal sign that says the height restriction. You don't want your car to hit that, because it's gonna tear it up, and they're not gonna pay for it because they said we told you already. And another thing I like about SpotHero is that it shows you the pictures of what the parking garage looks like. So this is the front entrance to this garage. This particular garage is attached to a luxury apartment building. So the apartment building is on this side, and it's a lot of luxury apartment buildings down in this area, because this is called the Gold Coast area. It's a lot. Beautiful down there though. It's beautiful. So this particular garage is attached to the apartment building. You have to watch this area, because people are always pulling up, because it's an apartment building, so they're getting out, Ubering, Lyft, whatever it is, food delivery, whatever they could be doing. So you just got to be careful. So when you pull it in, just go ahead and go to the door. When you go to the door, this particular door, it has an automatic opening. So as soon as it senses a vehicle in front of it, it's going to open up. And then when you get done parking, you'll come out of this door right here. Let's see if it gives me a better picture. Oh, this is even a better picture. So you can enter into these two doors here. As you can see, it has that sign right there. You don't want to hit that sign. We were right, that truck was right there when we was going in. Woo! Mirror was pulled in, and yeah, please be careful. Please be careful. So this shows you everything about this particular garage. So let's say, you know what, Ray? I think my vehicle is a little bit taller. So let's find another one. Yeah, let's do this one. So at 71 West Elm Street, Same time, nothing has changed. Height restriction a little bit better, 6'3". Gives you all the rules and regulations. Gives you what to expect as far as amenities, access hours, same way to redeem. Again, there are times where it will say take a ticket, take the ticket. If it says scan the code, scan the code. Just make sure you follow the directions on what to do. Me and Kiki got into an incident about that, but that's a long story. We're not gonna get into it. Here gives you particular directions, because sometimes on Google Maps, and depends on what map system you use, it may take you to somewhere you be like, this ain't what I'm looking for. So they'll give you detailed directions sometimes, because they know GPS will kind of mess you up, especially like when I'm in Chicago. Sometimes I'm familiar with it but not, and so you could be in the area you need to be in, but I could be a street below because of how Chicago's set up, but it's telling me I'm there. So you just got to be careful. So if you have directions, check the directions, check your pictures, and then also with the pictures themselves, it kind of gives you, again, you can see the pictures here, how it looks. There's that sign. You do not want to hit that sign. It will tear your car up. As I said before, speed limit. It lets you know how the garage looks. This is the scan box I was telling you about. If it says scan the code, you'll scan the code here. If it says take a ticket at a garage or wherever you may be, take the ticket. Follow the directions on it, because if you take the ticket, the garage people gonna want their money outside of what you pay. All right. And then it gives you another overview of the garage itself. So let's say I want to do this garage. All right. So what we have is we have the account info here, my email address here, reservation time will be here, dates and times here. Let's say, and it's going to ask you what your vehicle is. Now this is not my vehicle, so that way you go, oh, you got a Mercedes foot? No, I don't. One day maybe, but not today. But this is a demo vehicle, so it has the vehicle name, make and model, and then your license plate number. This is key, because sometimes they will come in there and check license plates, and they will check your license plate based off what they have on their log. If it's not in there, if they know you ain't paid for parking, or they know that their vehicle is not in there or not registered, they will get you ticketed, and they probably get your vehicle towed. You do not want your vehicle towed. And you like, oh man, we done had a good time, and oh my God, where's my car? Yeah, tow truck got it. Don't want to do that. So make sure you have all this stuff correct. If you have multiple vehicles, make sure whatever vehicle you're in that day, that's the one you choose. So today we're in the Mercedes-Benz 450. All right. Reservation information here. It says, why is my time extended for free? You can click on that, learn more about that. Subtotal $14, service fee 90 cents. Can't beat that, right? It has all the information, more information, free cancellation, easily edit or extend reservation, extra customer service, and it is. When we had that incident in that one garage, we called them right up. We told them what happened, and they refunded us a full amount of what we paid for the garage. So I know my date and time, I know what vehicle I'm driving in, so now time for me to reserve. Here you can use the credit card, debit card, whatever you want to use, or they allow you to use PayPal. So this information will probably already be in here. So card number, name on card, and then you pay and reserve. That's it. Pretty simple, straightforward to the point. You can use this with hotels, you can use this for restaurants, you can use this for sporting facilities, for different venues, wherever you know you're going to go to park and it's paid parking. I would suggest you use this and do your research in advance. I would suggest you use this and find you a parking garage. So if you know that you're going to a Bulls game and you're trying to find the closest lot or garage to the Bulls game, put that in, and it'll bring up everything that's around that area, give you the closest one, pay for it, go through everything, pay for it, boom, you're done. This is probably the most simple app. This is probably the simplest app you can use when you get ready to do your parking for different things you go to. This is why I love SpotHero. This is why I love it. It is very reasonably priced. It's free to use, to sign up. There's no membership fee or anything. It's free to use until you really, of course, pay for your parking. It's great. It is great. I love it. So this is why I suggest it, guys, to you all. I just want to say thank you again for checking out this video. Feel free, use SpotHero. Go on there, jump in, play around with it. It don't cost you anything to play around with it, and you just kind of see different prices of what you're trying to do. We appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your full support as always. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for being a part of the Team Reese Travels VIP. Yes, you are. You are very important people to us. Thank you all so much. Have a great day, great evening, depends on when you're watching this, and have a good one. And as always, Team Reese all day.